Okay, you guys, look what I found out here behind Stephanie's house when I was pulling some weeds. Look at that. That is amazing that they got all the way over here. Look at this. It looks like a butterfly. I'm so glad I saw them and I just didn't start ripping out weeds. So I am going to gently transplant them over in the bed where my flowers are. That's what I did with the other ones. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so crazy. There's some little green ones. And of course I love the purple ones the best. But I'll treat them all the same. I'm so glad I saw them. Now, a couple of them are a little worse for wear. Can you imagine? Look. This is how far they came. Look at that. All the way over there. Now I get to start on my project, you guys. I'm so excited, except that it is freezing cold out here. Well, not freezing. It's just cold. I have Miss Hazel in 2 jackets. But Jerry finished with this last night. And so now I can level this, put down the other dirt, and I can get going. I'm going to let it dry another day or two, and then I'm going to tear it up. Woo! And right here, we have a piece right there. He's going to put an end part on there. So this area is not going to drown anymore. And there's another one right there that'll have a piece on it, screen or something. I don't know what he's going to put there. But I won't be up to my ankles in water anymore. That's so awesome. And no, you cannot have my friend Jerry. Okay, y'all, I better get busy because it's going to get dark here pretty soon, and I just found those babies. Talk to you later. Bye now.